Mr.Sweet Review Present Top 10 Best Cordless Vacuum for Tile Floors that we have selected for you to from the variety of models available on the market. If you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. 1. Dynaso A11 Hero. Two. MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum. Three. APOSEN Cordless Vacuum. Four. Dyson Cyclone V10. 5. iRobot Roomba 650. Product dimensions 13.4 into 3.6 into 13.4 inches. Item weight 7.9 pounds. 1 lithium-ion battery is required. Systematic cleaner. Accessibility to schedule cleaning time. 6. Hikeren Cordless Vacuum. Product dimension 50 into 10 into 10.2 inches. Item weight 6.5 pounds. Batteries 1 lithium-ion battery is included. Attach full-size multitasker LED power brush, mini power brush. 200-watt brushless motor provides noise-free 18 kPa powerful suction in MAX mode. 7. Hikeren Cordless Vacuum. Eight. ONSON Cordless Vacuum. Nine. Orfeld Cordless Vacuum. Product dimension 10.3 into 8.2 into 46.5 inches. Item weight 6.61 pounds. Batteries 1 lithium-ion battery is required included, with flexible 180-degree rotation, swivel design and a folding handle. The fully sealed filtration system traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. 10. Eureka NEC 222 Hyper Clean. Product dimensions 8.5 into 9.5 into 43.5 inches. Item weight 4 pounds. Batteries 1 lithium-ion battery is required included. 220-watt powerful suction. 30 minutes long-lasting runtime. To clean the dark areas, take the help of the LED headlights. Thank you for watching. You can find links to all projector in the description of this video. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.